Turning on a laptop is just one press of a button. Many laptops these days do not even need that. You just open the lid and they start instantly. So why should shutting down Windows take multiple clicks? In this video, I will show you how to shut down your Windows PC with just one click. Let's begin. Go to your desktop, right-click anywhere, then select New, then Shortcut. In the location box, type this command exactly, then click Next. Give the shortcut any name you like. I will simply call it Shutdown. Click Finish. Now, right-click on the shortcut and open Properties. Click Change icon. Ignore the message and click OK. Choose the shutdown icon, or you can even use your own custom icon. Then click OK. Now drag this shortcut to your taskbar for easy access. Next time you want to shut down your PC, simply click it once. No more start menu. Just one click and your PC shuts down. If you prefer to force close all open applications during shutdown, use this command instead. You just need to add /F to the previous command. Just make sure you have saved your work first. Now, when you click on the shortcut, Windows will not give you a warning message to close the open apps. That is a simple Windows shortcut that can save you a few clicks every day. If you found this useful, share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you are not. If you have any questions, please drop a comment. I will be happy to answer them. I will see you on the next one. Until next time, take care.